Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Please share these videos out. Leave your thumbs up and your comments. I love to read every one of them. Sometimes some of the comments there I wish I hadn't read, but I do love to read them all. Okay, Mark Meadows was asked, when was the last time he's spoken to Nancy Pelosi and Chuck Schumer? He said he has not spoken to them, either one of them, since the negotiations fell so bad on August the 7th. But if you remember, just the other day, he did try to meet with Nancy Pelosi. He went to her office and he was told that she was in a meeting. What a blow-off that was. So now it looks like she won't negotiate until the end of September. Steve Mnuchin met with Nancy Pelosi. She said, let's meet in the middle. That looked good on both sides. But the problem is she don't know where the middle is. She just wanted to take $1 trillion off of the top of $3.4 trillion in the proposal. That's not the middle. No matter how you slice it, it's not the middle. Y'all, please don't forget, this is not only the Republicans' fault, it's not only the Democrats' fault, it's not only the White House's fault, it's all of them's fault. They've all drugged their feet, played mind games with everybody. They played us for a fool is what they've done. And I hate to say it, looks like they were successful with it. Y'all, we have to vote them out of office. Come November, we need a clean sweep. We need to get them out. We can't go into voting booth and have a change of heart. We need to stick to our guns and get them out. Y'all, they have proved time and time again they don't care about us. So now it's time that we prove that we don't care about them. We need to get them out of office. Y'all, just know I love you all. And check the links down below. I've got more stun guns in and I've got more coming in. So if y'all want one, get them. And I got free gifts and I got more items on the website. Go check them out if you want some of that stuff. And just know, I love you all. I may see you again after a while. I'm not sure. Ciao.